Start now. Express y in terms of x. Children, what does it mean? Y को express करना in terms of x. So you need to put y on LHS and you need to find the value of y. You need to find the value of y in terms of x. Okay. So what we are going to do is y we will keep on left hand side. Now if we keep y on left hand side, what shall it become on RHS? Where will this 2x go? Will it be coming on RHS?
Yes,
Minus sign. When you are taking 2x on RHS, will it be minus or plus?
minus.
Ma'am, it will be 4 minus 2x.
Very good. So have we expressed the value of y in terms of x? So what is the value of y? Y is 4 minus 2x. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now one more part. Suppose if I take, let's say 3x plus 5y is equal to 10. How to put y in terms of x? First of all, take the term containing y on LHS, that is 5y is equal to 10. What happened to 3x? What will happen to 3x?
Ma'am, minus 3x.
Minus 3x.
Now, do we need y or do we need 5y?
Ma'am, y.
Y.
Why
So,
we
what
need?
will be y? Y will be 10 minus 3x upon me
5.
what? Upon me 5.
5.
So, this is how we express y in terms of x. Okay? Thus, x plus y equal to 2 pass through origin. Children, you remember we have done such kind of a question in the form of graph also. We first drew the graph of the equation and then we saw that whether it is passing through the origin or not. You remember we have done a question like this? This line wasn't passing through origin, so we wrote it is not passing, right? But here in the question, nowhere it is mentioned that draw graph. We are not asked to draw graph. हमें graph बनाना नहीं है. So how can we show whether it is passing through origin or not without plotting the graph? एक चीज ध्यान दीजिए बेटा. On the graph of the equation, that is this straight line, whichever points lie, are these points solution of the equation? जो हम table में निकालते हैं बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
If I take x equal to 0,
Ma'am, the maximum free solution.
yes, if we take x equal to 0, is y also 0?
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am,
ma'am.
it will be.
No.
Ma'am, we have to
And
take it as 2.
yes, but origin means it must pass through which point?
0.
0.
0, 0.
0, comma 0.
Is it passing through 0, 0 according to you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it cannot pass, ma'am, because we cannot take both zero.
Yes, it will not pass through 0 and 0. Because if you put 0 and 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, which is not equal to 2. So any point, if it is passing through origin, it must be passing through 0, 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Passing
Ma'am,
through
the
0, 0
solution
means
should be 0, comma 0.
0, 0 must be its solution. Ji beta. And there is
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more word I am introducing, satisfy. If it is a solution, it must satisfy equation. Now, satisfying equation means, please understand that LHS should be equal to RHS. Satisfying equation means LHS must be equal to RHS.
RHS.
LHS be equal to RHS if we put the
Excuse me,
origin.
ma'am.
Ji beta. Yes,
Ma'am,
Anushka.
can you again tell about the satisfy?
any point, any coordinate which is a solution must satisfy the equation. Satisfy the equation means on putting those coordinates, LHS should be equal to RHS. If LHS is not equal to RHS, we can't say that it is satisfying the equation. Not satisfying means it cannot be a solution. Not being a solution means it is not lying on the graph.
Yes,
Are you with me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So if it has to pass through origin, it must pass through 0, 0, which is not possible in this case. Got it? So how we are going to represent it? We are going to write like this. X plus y is equal to 2 will pass through origin if 0, 0 is its solution. That is 0, 0 satisfy the equation. I'm just explaining again the meaning of satisfying. Satisfying here means LHS should be equal to RHS. You may note it down for your understanding. Okay? So now see. Now LHS is equal to X plus Y, which is equal to 0 plus 0, beta. And 0 plus 0 means 0. Is it
Ma'am,
equal or not equal to RHS? Is it
Ma'am,
equal or not equal?
So 0.
So not equal के लिए this
I'm
is
not
the sign. To make it
Yes, ma'am.
equal and just cut it. Is not equal to RHS. So is it passing through origin?
No, ma'am.
Therefore, X plus Y equal to 2 will not pass through what? Origin. Okay?
Okay.
Check if 0, 2 is a solution of this. Now, when will we be able to say beta that 0, 2 is a solution of this equation? When we will be able to say so? When it must what?
Ma'am, passes through, ma'am, graph.
Yes. Passes through this point. Passes through this point means it must satisfy the equation.
Yes,
Children,
ma'am.
yes or no? Now satisfying means what? That if you put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 here, LHS must be equal to which side?
RHS.
RHS. Just see, is it going to be true this way? X minus 2y. If I put x equal to 0 and y equal to 2, what does it become?
Ma'am, 0 minus 4.
I'm,
0 minus 4.
I'm minus 4.
4.
Ma'am,
What
minus
is
4
the-
equal to RHS. Ma'am, which is
Ma'am,
not
minus
equal.
Ma'am, it is not equals to RHS.
Equal or not equal?
I'm not
Ma'am,
equal.
Not equal.
Not equal.
So is it a solution or not a solution?
Not a
solution.
Not a solution.
Not a solution.
Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what are you going to write? 0, 2 will be a solution of x minus 2y equal to 4 if it satisfies the equation. Now, this should be in continuation. There should not be gap. Therefore, 0, 2 is not the solution Now the next value I have changed to 4 comma 0. Let us see if 4 comma 0 is a solution. Again, what are we going to do now? In place of x, what shall we put?
Ma'am, 4.
4. And in place of y,
Ma'am, 0.
Ma'am,
so
0.
what it will be?
Ma'am, 4 minus 0.
Which is equal to?
4.
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am,
And
it
ma'am, it
satisfies.
is equal to
Ma'am, it
RHS.
satisfies. Ma'am,
is
it
it a solution?
satisfies the equation. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Nimish, find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation. But we are already given the x 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution. Now, being solution, does it mean it is satisfying the equation?
No, ma'am, we have to
It has to satisfy the equation if it is the solution. Right? So if we are given that x 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution, that means if you put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1, it should be equal to RHS. Left hand side should be equal to RHS. So let's see how we get the value of k. So you simply write 2 comma 1 is a solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to k. This means 2 comma 1 satisfies the equation. So this gives me 2 into 2. At the place of x, what I am going to put beta? 2.
2.
And in the place of y, what shall we put?
1.
Now what is 2 into 2?
Ma'am, 4.
1.
1, 3.
And in the final step, put k on LHS. Bring k on LHS. So the value of k is 7. And children, make sure we are putting equal to here. So here it should be this implies to sign. यहाँ equal to नहीं आएगा. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If the point 3 by 4 lies on the graph of this, the point is lying on the graph, means point is lying on the line of this. Yes?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
any lies on the equation, does it mean it has to be the solution? Follow?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
As 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of 3y is equal to ax plus 7, it means 3 comma 4 is a solution of this. Ji beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Being solution means it must satisfy it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Satisfying means what? The way we have done the previous question.
Ma'am, it will be LHS equal to RH.
Yes. So in the place of y, we should put 4. And in the place of x, what we shall put?
Ma'am, 3.
X is 3, y is 4. Now 3 into 4 is 12, which is equal to 3a plus 7. Please rearrange so that you get variable on left hand side. So 3a is 12 and this 7 will go that side, minus 7, which is 5. Can you tell me what should be a?
Ma'am, 5 upon 3.
Got it, beta?